I'm holding here is called Ovulation Prediction Kits, but you might know it as Ovulation Test Strip. I'm going to teach you how to use it correctly in this video. For some of you who don't know what this is, it's in the name Ovulation Prediction Kits. You can use these to know when you ovulate. You can also use these to know when you are in your fertile window. It is recommended for women who are trying to conceive, like if you are trying to get pregnant, you can use Ovulation Prediction Kits to know when to meet with your husband. And if you are not trying to conceive, you want to avoid pregnancy, you can also use Ovulation Prediction Kits to know your fertile window so that you can run for your life. So you can run for your life. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, teaching you how to use these correctly. For us, Ovulation Prediction Kits is one of the tools that we use to help women conceive a male child or a female child. So you can use these also to conceive a male child or a female child, but there are other things involved. I'm just showing you that this is one of the tools that we use in Pink Laura's method to help women conceive their desired gender. This particular brand I'm holding is called Easy Check. It's from Swecare Company. We have been using this brand since 2017 as one of the tools. If you don't see it, you can get any for this lesson, because I'm going to show you how to use this correctly. I'm going to show you how to use Ovulation Prediction Kits, Ovulation Test Strip correctly. So if you can use any other brand for this lesson. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, here is the pack. You can see ovulation. You can see the name, the company, Swecare, and Ovulation Test Predict. That is what is written. You can see Easy Check there. So if you want to get this brand, you can get it from, you can just take a picture and get it from any pharmacy of your choice. Inside the pack, here is what you see. Yeah, there are like 5 strips inside, 5 ovulation prediction kits inside, and 1 pregnancy test strip. That's the pregnancy test strip. It's different from other ones. Other ones are ovulation test strips. This particular one is a pregnancy test strip. Okay, when you cut the paper, when you bring out the strips, it looks like a pregnancy test strip, but this one is how the strip is when you bring it out. You can see it's like a pregnancy test strip, but this one is ovulation test strip. That's what you see when you open it. And that's how the strips looks like. I have to mention that you are going to use your urine for this test. You can either pee on it, just like a pregnancy test strip, but this is ovulation test strip. So you're going to either pee on it or just pee in a container, like tiny container, and just put the strip inside for like a few seconds. Should I say like 1 minute? It doesn't hurt. Just put it for 1 minute and then bring it out. When you bring it out, you now place it on, you can place it on a paper, the strip on a paper, or just put it on top of the thing that you used, like you have seen in this video. Just leave it there for like 10 minutes. Keep it there and leave it there for like 10 minutes. It is after 10 minutes, that's when you are going to read the result. So I'm going to show you how the result is at the end of the day. As you can see from this result, is only 1 line, and that 1 line at the top is the control line. It's just like a pregnancy test strip. Like this, you have seen that is only 1 line at the top. I'm going to show you when there are 2 lines, but I'm just explaining now that the first line that is coming up there, close to that, the upper side, is a control line, not a test line. So it means that from this result, it means that the person is not in her fertile window. It's either the person is not close yet or the person has passed. So there is no second line. The result is negative now. As you can see, the result is negative. I'm going to show you a result of a positive result. I'm going to show you. So like you can see it. Okay, so that is a negative result. It means you are not ovulating, you are not in your fertile window yet. For this particular one, you can see two lines. The one at the top there is the control line, and this other one is the test line. You can see, so it shows that you are in your fertile window, but it might not be that you are ovulating at the moment. There's a difference between pregnancy test strip and ovulation test strips, because with a pregnancy test strip, even when the second line, like the test line, is very, very light, like the result is like a very faint line, it shows that you are pregnant, it shows positive. But with ovulation test strip, that's not what it means. It means that you are in your fertile window, but it doesn't mean that you have ovulated yet. So with this, you keep testing and it gets darker till it becomes, when it becomes very, very dark, like darker than the previous ones, you keep testing until the results will now start fading again, right? So the one that is the darkest from among the results, because as you are testing, you are going to keep them. So the one that is darkest among the results is the one that is considered a positive result with OPK, with Ovulation Prediction Kits. So you are going to ovulate within 24 hours after that. It doesn't mean that once you get your results, like your positive ovulation prediction kit, you get the positive results from it, that you are ovulating already. It means that your ovulation is close, is within, you are going to ovulate in the next either 24 hours after that result. That is it. As you can see in that video, it's very, very simple to use ovulation prediction kits. If you are trying to get pregnant, you can use it. If you are trying to avoid pregnancy, you can use it. Also, if you are looking for a particular gender, you want to conceive a male child or a female child, you can use it. I mentioned earlier that is one of the tools that we use. Not only that, we use other things to help women conceive a male child or a female child. So if you want to conceive a male child or a female child, you can come to us. We will coach you. You can join our platform, Pink Laura's Method group on Facebook. You can message us on WhatsApp. You can check pinklauresmethod.com on our website to see our packages. So that's it for today. See you in another video. Bye.